A short meditation can change your mood, your day, and even your life. Sit back, settle in, and join me now. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Allow yourself to relax and let go of any tension you may be holding on to in your body. Bring to mind something that has been causing you stress or difficulty. It could be a relationship, an activity, a task, an addiction, anything. Now imagine what it would feel like to accept this situation as it is right now. Notice the physical sensation that arises in your body when you allow yourself to accept the situation with open arms. Now, bring to mind someone or something that brings you joy and peace of mind. Maybe it's a cherished person in your life, a beloved pet, or a beautiful natural landscape. Anything that makes you smile. As you focus on this image, feel the warmth of acceptance and ease that comes with it. Breathe in deeply and breathe out. Now bring your attention back to the difficult situation or task at hand. Notice how much easier it is to accept the situation now, knowing that you can turn to those moments of joy and peace whenever you need them. When feelings of resistance arise in your mind, remember that acceptance is an ongoing process. Don't be too hard on yourself. Take a few more deep breaths as you imagine accepting this difficulty for what it is and learning from it so you can move forward with more peace, understanding, and love. Allow yourself to let go of any negative thoughts or judgments about the situation, replacing them instead with kindness and compassion for yourself. Acceptance is the answer to all my problems.